In the heart of the 18th century, a new intellectual movement was blooming, known as the Enlightenment. This period marked a significant shift in European thought, with philosophers questioning traditional values and norms. Among these thought leaders, a heated debate over the nature of beauty and art theory was taking center stage. Two prominent thinkers, Alexander Baumgarten and Immanuel Kant, found themselves at the forefront of this debate. Baumgarten, a German philosopher, proposed the first systematic approach to aesthetics, defining it as the science of sensory knowledge. He argued that beauty was not merely a subjective perception, but a universal concept that could be understood and analyzed. On the other hand, Kant, a German-born philosopher, posited that beauty was not about the object itself, but the response it evoked in the observer. He believed that beauty lay in the mind of the beholder, and that it was a form of disinterested pleasure, detached from any practical purpose. Their ideas sparked a flurry of responses from other philosophers, artists, and intellectuals. The French philosopher, Denis Diderot, argued that beauty was a combination of harmony and proportion, while the English poet, William Blake, saw beauty as a divine spark, a reflection of the eternal. This debate marked a crucial turning point in the history of aesthetics. It shifted the focus from the physical properties of art to the psychological and emotional responses it elicited. The Enlightenment's emphasis on reason and individualism also influenced the way art was perceived and valued. In the years that followed, the study of aesthetics continued to evolve, with thinkers like Johann Gottfried Herder and Friedrich Schiller contributing to the discourse. The Enlightenment debate on aesthetics laid the groundwork for modern art theory, shaping our understanding of beauty, art, and their role in society. Today, the debate between Baumgarten and Kant serves as a reminder of the complex and subjective nature of beauty. It encourages us to question, explore, and appreciate the role of art in our lives, and to continue the dialogue that began in the Enlightenment era. In this tale of intellectual rivalry and philosophical debate, we see the birth of a new discipline, aesthetics, and the beginning of a rich and ongoing conversation about the nature of beauty and art. As we continue to ponder these questions, we are reminded of the power of art to inspire, provoke, and connect us, transcending the boundaries of time and culture.